Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be everything about my natural hair, my current hair routine, my current length check. I'm just gonna give you guys all the dates you need to know on my natural hair. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So as you guys know, I had a baby 4 months ago, and it's really telling a lot on my hair, especially on my edges. So I just realized that I had to do a little bit more to make sure that my hair is well protected, and that my hair, like that all my hair doesn't fall off, because my hair is actually falling off, and my edges is a mess right now. Like, for you guys that know, I'm still struggling with my edges, but it's growing. It's better than before, you know. It's growing gradually, you know. So that's why I decided to start incorporating the rice water into my hair routine, because I heard it has so many benefits for our natural hair. It helps to grow the hair, and also it helps to reduce shedding. That means when you grow your hair, it's actually going to help you retain your length. So today I'm going to show you guys the length of my hair, and I'm going to talk you guys through and show you guys what I do before I go to bed. Then in 4 weeks time, I'm definitely going to come back here with the result. Like, I'm going to check the length of my hair again and everything. I'll show you guys the result and see, you know, what actually happened to my hair in the 4 weeks of using rice water. So I'm going to go ahead and talk you guys through what I do. So the first thing I did was to wash my rice. I just used a normal regular rice you see at home, you know. So I washed the rice about 2 to 3 times. So I washed the rice about 2 to 3 times. After washing the rice, I put the rice in a mason jar. I used 1 cup of rice. You know, I put the rice in the mason jar, and then I pour a water full, you know, in the jar, and then I close it very well. Normally you're supposed to leave it for about 24 to 48 hours, but I think I left it for like 3 days because I didn't have time. I'm gonna quickly do a length check. And after that, I just went ahead and took out the rice water from the rice itself, and then I poured the water. I just went to the bathroom and I poured the water on my hair. I poured everything on my hair. And then I covered my hair with my plastic cap, and I allowed it to sit for about 1 to 2 hours. I wash it out like normal. I wash it with my shampoo and my conditioner, and after washing it off, I went ahead and, you know, applied all the creams I apply on my hair. And then I did a cornrow, a protective style cornrow on my hair. So that's what it's gonna be for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support your girl by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video to whoever you think that will need this type of information. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
So care, S to the care.
Run teams on the
Mr. Skills on the mission, BBC and television.